Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a great week. Of course, I appear on camera looking like this instead of just doing my normal makeup for the intro. I just come on like this. Yay! Oh my gosh, Halloween is like 3 weeks away. What is the date? Oh, it's just come around so fast. I can't believe it's nearly been a year since last Halloween. Like, where has the time gone? Like, I have no idea. But anyway, I did this like super scary, like ghostly, dead, evil demon thing. I did get inspired by Milk1422 for this look on Instagram. I thought it looked super cool and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. They did that on a face chart. I'm gonna bring the idea to life but make it look even more gory by adding a cross and some down my neck because I'm just extra. You guys know I love special effects makeup, creepy makeup, horror movies, gory stuff, so I'm just gonna try and upload as much as I can from now up until Halloween, even though I would have uploaded more than I have been and on Instagram as well, but I have just been so busy with like collaborations with brands. I have 10 altogether, so in the last 2 weeks and also in the next few weeks, yeah, 10 collaborations. I'm like, holy moly. But they're obviously all brands that I absolutely love or that I've heard of, and yeah, I'm just excited to collab with those brands. But what that means is that I haven't been putting as much Halloween content up on Instagram as I would have liked. I could have been double the amount of what I'm doing now. I'm only uploading like 1 look a week at the moment. I'm like, ugh. Oosh, and look at my nails. They match the whole gory theme. So I got black and gold, and I've got like little Chanel logos on here. So I got acrylics done. I wanted to get black because it's Halloween month and they make me feel a bit badass. I'm like, so anyway, if you want to know how to do this creepy Halloween makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm taking the Morphe and James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist palette. I'm using this black. This is my favorite palette. The shades are so pigmented and it's got like everything in it. So I'm just using this defined brush and I'm just sweeping it in my crease and all over my lid and kind of like winging it out up past my eyebrow. And then I'm taking more of a blending brush and I am just sweeping it out as far as I can go and just blending it right underneath, blending it kind of down the sides of my nose as well. And then I'm taking this lip liner and then I'm putting that in my waterline, and then I'm taking this red color and blending that above the black, and just making my eyes look really dead and gory and tired. And then I'm using this LA Girl brush and I'm just blending that black down my cheekbones and all around my forehead. You just want to make sure this is blended and it's not patchy, and it is quite hard to do, but you just have to keep working with it. And I blended some down my neck as well. And then I'm guiding out where my cross is going to go, and I took some liquid latex which I got from beautybliss.co.nz and I put that on the cross. Got some toilet tissue, kind of ripped it in a straight little strip and stuck it on top. And then I'm putting latex where the other part of the cross is going to go, stuck the tissue on top again, and then I layered that all with liquid latex. Doing liquid latex cuts are actually really easy. They're not as forgiving as scar wax, like it doesn't look as realistic, but I reckon it still looks pretty cool. And you want to make sure that it's all dry before you like put on the foundation and stuff. And then I took some foundation and blended this on top, and I also blended the black over the top of the cross again so it just didn't look too prominent on my forehead. I kind of fix it up later. I set that foundation with some powder so I can work on top easily and blend colours on without it smudging everywhere. And then I cut up the tissue with some scissors, and then yeah, you just cut out where your cross is going to go. I didn't show this part, but I put on the Bennye Fresh Scab Blood. Silly me, cut myself out of the camera and you couldn't even see me apart from the top of my head. So I just put that inside the cut, and then I took some bruising colours like blue, purples and reds and put that all around the cross as well to make it just look like it's been there for ages and it's kind of a bit more gory and bruised up and stuff. So yeah, that's actually how easy it is to do a cut. It's so simple. And then I'm taking some red and black mixed together and I'm smudging this all over my lips, like past my lip line. And then I'm taking the Mehron 8 Color Paradise AQ paint palette and I'm using the red and the black in this palette. And I just literally draw lines all down my face, and I also filled in my lips with that, by the way. I did like a black outline and then I put red in the center. Just silly me kind of was only showing the top of my hair when I was filming it, so I kind of missed that part out, but I'm sure you guys know how to fill in your lips. So yeah, I'm just literally doing squiggly lines that are going down my eyes and up from my lips. And then I'm taking the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid eyeliner. This is really good for really fine lines. So I just use this to make really fine lines up from the lips and at the end of those thicker lines done with the paint. Yeah, I'm not doing this in any particular order. I'm just starting to come up from the eyelid up to the forehead, and yeah, this is literally super easy. Now I'm just taking some black and smudging that lip line out a little bit more with some black eyeshadow, and then I take this Detailz white liquid liner and I'm just doing some, like, I guess shines on the lips and in the corner of my eyes and also down my nose as well. This is what I saw on the face chart and I thought it looked really cool, so I just want to incorporate it in as well. It kind of reminded me of like clown features, like these lips and this whole look kind of. It's kind of weird. It's kind of like a clown but demon at the same time. I don't know what it is. So yeah, I'm starting to draw some black lines down my mouth and also down my neck and just make it come all the way past the t-shirt so you can't see the end of them. And these paintbrushes I'm using are from the Warehouse Stationery, by the way. You just want to make sure you get a good paintbrush with really flimsy and flexible brush heads. Now I'm taking that Wet n Wild eyeliner, I'm just doing some fine lines down the neck as well. I kind of don't want it to be super straight, I'm kind of like crossing them over and stuff. And then I added some white liquid liner down my eyes as well. I did like 2 squiggly lines down each eye, and I also bring this down the neck as well. Now I'm taking these Lilly lashes in the style Mink mykonos, and I always paint these. So before I had them painted white for another Halloween look I did, the one that was like black and white with the cross down the center of my face. So now I'm painting these red for this look. It didn't look as cool as the face chart that the Instagram account I got inspired off did, but yeah, it's still kind of cool when it's kind of up close. So I put some lower lashes on and cut them to size, so they just went on the outer parts of the lower lash line. And now I'm taking some hairspray, spraying that all in everywhere and brushing my hair back. And this is before I got my hair done, and I can definitely tell the difference. But anyway, I love my hair like this. It's kind of like an evil hairstyle. Now I'm taking some contacts and putting those in, and then I'm finished. Okay guys, so that was the end of the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. This isn't actually too hard to do. The most hardest part would have been like the blending of the eyeshadows underneath and making sure it's all even and not patchy. All the lines are so easy. You literally grab a brush and paint on some lines. And you guys might think this cross is hard. You don't have to do liquid latex. You could just do like a red cross, like literally get some scab blood and draw on a red cross if you don't have as much time or if you want it to be easier for you. So yeah, this look is pretty easy to do. I think it's pretty effective and I think it looks really great for Halloween. If you guys do recreate any of my looks, then please tag me on Instagram, tag me in the caption of your photo as well as in the photo, because then I will be able to see it. I get so many notifications, so if you tag me just in the caption, then I'm bound to not see it at all. So anyway, thumbs up this video if you liked it. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys in the next week's video. Bye.